Pontiac GT8. Ooh, got the big supercharger. That's sweet. I like this. Carbon fiber. Got a little fun toy. Dragging on this. That big grill. You need that air coming in. This is a clean M4. Look, I was just showing y'all that car. That's the owner right there.
Okay.
That car, yeah, for the YouTube channel, man.
Oh, right on,
right on. How much horsepower in that thing?
Enough.
Enough that you can't keep up. That's what I tell them.
Right.
What up, YouTube family? Man, it is early Sunday morning, man. Last day for Cars and Coffee. Got my coffee, got my car. Got the two things necessary, man. So we finna go out here and see some whips. I mean, we ain't been to some local car shows here in a minute. Been going out of town quite a bit, but man, got the update that this was the last Cars and Coffee. So I'm waiting on a few people to pull up to the house and then actually waiting on my son to get out the bed so we can roll in together, but if he didn't get up here in a little bit, he gonna get left. Oh, there go Big Woo rolling up. Got Big Red. And then here go my son's car, his Cadillac CT5V. Got it cleaned up yesterday, but it's gonna be looking good on the street here in a minute if y'all heard him get up. Oh, he did all right. I was
Who you with?
Look, there he is,
The
up
one and
early.
only.
Big Woo, up and early. I said that I was
Man,
telling the
you
people
sound-
don't scratch them curves.
Oh, I ain't gonna hit no curve.
Oh yeah, no, I'm up, man. Voice a little scratchy this morning. Voice a little scratchy.
You tired, man?
Man, do I look? Well, yeah, I do look tired.
Yeah, he tired. He
Hey,
built for this.
yeah.
This early morning stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm up early every day. Now this one right here, I mean, he get
I
up, but
already
he
knew.
sleep. But he about to get left, y'all. But yeah. All right, so let's get this cold. Let's get this cold start. See what it do. All right. Cold start.
Ain't nothing like them cold starts. Hey, Drew trying to leave a brother. But Big Red will run him down, you know what I'm saying? But go hang it, get us a little coffee, talk a little trash. Supposed to have a bunch of homies go with us for this last one, but you know how it is when you're trying to get people together. They get laxed and wait till the last minute. But guys doing things, we get there early. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy the video, and we'll be back.
Guys, yeah, look, man, you've been on the channel enough, and you don't still don't know the name. It's Guys Doing Things. Yeah. Oh yeah. Pontiac GTLC.
Ain't even touched this since
I
what?
got that. Look that LS. Oh, you a lie? I know you've
No.
been wiping on
This
it.
thing-
It came that
Oh.
clean.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
He wouldn't buy
I
it.
haven't touched the inside, or the only thing I did was wax the outside.
Okay. Where'd you steal it from? I know you robbed
It was
somebody.
pretty even steal because they
Oh.
robbed me. I'm the vet.
So
So.
y'all did heads up, or see, you ain't do heads up. No, I know. See, I know. See, so-
Corvette was good down payment.
okay, all right, okay. So it's clean though. Got the LS1 motor in it.
2, bro.
2. Oh, excuse me, LS2. How dare me say that?
Ain't no way. There was like a carpet out on 57.
Okay, yeah. Blacked out interior. GTO. LS2 motor. It's one of them sleepers, y'all. Oldsmobile. I like the tires, man. I like them tires, man. Yeah, I like that. That give it a nice little look. Yes, sir. SRT. Yeah. Oh yeah. Then we got old good Johnny Law. Johnny Law Lee. They threw the lights on. They threw the lights on for us. They want to launch too. Look at this big truck. I like that. That big jump is clean. And then the Jeep. Okay, and there's my son right there. Yep, there's my son. There he is. Yep. He can pull next to you. Yep. Finally got out of bed, y'all. I give him a little credit though. He did work late last night. I give him a little leeway, but still, you know, you want it, you'll find time to make it happen.
Stuffed all that inside. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Crazy. Got the slicks on it.
Probably ought to have a wheel bar on the back.
Yeah, keep that little short base down. Yeah.
All right, we got Coco, got the CT5, twin turbo, got Big Woo and Big Red, the Denali. Then we got Blue Magic. Yup. The Hellcat. The Rango. Ooh, that's cold. Another Hellcat. Another one. Z06 with some slicks on it. Mustang with the carbon fiber rim. Nice. Nice motor. Carbon fiber, nice intake. And built. Yep. Shift on the float. It's clean motor. It's a little Honda. Yes, sir. To another Honda. Super Slam. Old Bronco. The Edelbrock. Motor. Oh yeah. How you doing? Good. How you doing? Good. Right. Mustangs after Mustangs. Yeah. Yeah. Got 350 Z's. Oh, a classic Porsche. I said Volkswagen earlier when it was pulling in. How little this mug is. Steering wheel on it. 64. Nice. So Mustang. Stingray C8. Mustang. It's got the big Jeep. Honda N. Okay, we got the N's. Brakes on. All right, here goes Corey's rival. Cadillac CT5V, all-wheel drive. Big truck. It's nice, fold-up wing, sunroof. See if the exhaust is any different. Nope, same exhaust. Now I like this Beamer over here. This Beamer is nasty. How y'all feel about that big grill? You need that air coming in. So a clean M4. Clean. Yes, sir. Black in the rims. These are the rims I'm thinking about blue matte. Maybe two-tone though. Maybe not just one solid. I'm liking these. Yes, sir. Okay. 6 different intake. Okay. Low. Talking about sitting low, Corey, right here. Yeah, this is low.
I have a white Corvette down there, but it doesn't look like this one. And it didn't cost anywhere near.
All right. Yeah, this one definitely costs a little penny. It don't even have plates on it yet. You got it from Tennessee. Temporary tag. Must have just picked it up. Temp plates on.
And you can take the top off?
Yeah, top pops off. Yeah. Yep. Interior is nasty. Red and black.
White off the black off the red?
Yeah, that's nasty. I like it. That's me and Corey. We both agree on that one. Yeah. I like this big truck. Yeah.
All around black.
Dude, I like this truck, man.
It's huge.
It is. Definitely got this floorboard to get in.
You love flexing on campus, I will say that.
Dude, hey, why not? How much money you didn't spend on this joker?
Yeah, trucks be expensive.
Yeah.
I wouldn't like sitting that high.
I don't know about. I like the look of the front windshield tinted like that, but at night you can't see.
That's why I'm happy they only did the eyebrows.
Yeah.
You like these Nissan? These?
Yes, I love them 350Zs.
Yeah. Well, a lot of people like
Yeah, the 350Z back in the day was the whip, Corey. Over here, look at this Benz. Look at this Benz AMG. Oh, I ain't see my man over here taking pictures. Yeah, my bad. Okay. I knew it was a 63, E63. Yep, AMG. I can see that. AMG. It's nasty.
me.
Yeah, this a beast.
Yeah.
I mean, this monster right here. It's a straight race car. Chevelle. Josh Dunn. Damn, y'all can see how big them tires are underneath there. A lot to shifter.
Would you want your
control
exhaust
buttons.
up here?
Oh yeah, I would if I had just a car I could just play with.
Alright.
Yeah,
That's
that's
cool.
just it's coming right off the
Right
turbo.
next to the
Yeah, that's just power right there, just coming right off,
Big
throwing
hood, too.
flames.
Detachable steering wheel.
Yep.
Wheels.
Yeah, got the parachute. Yep.
No. RX-7 ain't gonna play around.
No. No. You gotta get this power to the ground though. Cause it's gonna spin, but that's why them tires so wide. Mm-hmm. This game. Josh, that Chevette looking mean over there, man.
Thanks. How you doing?
Good, bro. How you been?
Oh, fantastic.
I was just telling the people, look, I was just showing y'all that car. That's the owner right there.
Okay.
That car, yeah, for the YouTube channel, man.
Oh, right on, right
Yeah.
on.
How much horsepower in that thing?
Enough.
Enough that you can't keep up. That's what I tell him.
Right.
That's nasty. Yep. He pulling in. I know you was keeping it quiet, so you didn't want to wake up the neighborhood.
Got it.
Yep. Yeah.
Put a blower on it.
Okay.
My boy races it, and he'll end up racing it.
Oh yeah, that's the light. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Jesus. Yeah. Boss 302.
But yeah, they used to have the turbo
Okay.
mounted in the corner over here.
That's why. Yeah.
And then it had an intercooler and come back up on that side and come through. But
Okay.
he's young; he's only 16, so I ain't letting it get too wild. But I'm contemplating putting it back on or
A lot of power for us.
supercharger.
Yeah. A lot of power for a 16-year-old.
He did good. He's been racing tracks for all years. So he's
Oh, okay.
ready.
So he's been running.
Yeah, he's been racing since he was 8. So
Oh, okay. Well, y'all can see that exhaust coming right
Josh
off
did
the
all that
manifold.
work.
You did all that, Josh? Okay. A custom exhaust right off the manifold, straight through the front. That titanium. Yeah, that's mean, bro.
Yeah, it's mine.
Yeah. Nasty.
Right.
Okay. See, I wasn't the only one who wanted to see the motor, I think.
Everyone wants to know what's on it.
That's
It
it.
says Mazda, but Mazda's not going to have that.
Yeah, Monster don't look like, yeah, no.
the side exhaust.
Yep. All right, y'all. It's a classic sleeper until you see the exhaust. Chance, check out the channel.
Oh, will do.
All right.
Good to see you.
Yes, sir. Good to be seen.
Maybe next year when this thing rolls in here, it'll be a little bit more of a
Rowdy.
It'll be a little rowdier next year.
I'll be here, God willing, man.
I'll have to drive it that day in case we have to play.
Yeah, okay. All right.
I bet you I will switch over.
Look at this thing right here. That's funny. Nice truck. You got that black plane. Now this the run right here. Classic C7 Z06. Superman, what I call this. Blue, the red, big ceramic brakes. Yeah. I like it. Blue Z. I like it.
Right. Old school. It's got the tank in the bed. Right. Kaboom. Old trusty Ford. Them plates are, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ford F100.
Old school leaving. Oh, he come around the corner. Okay, that's impressive for a Mustang coming around the corner without getting loose. Old IROC Z28. Old Cobra. It's a 5.0.
Electrician just got on.
The Mustang. Nice.
I hope not.
That car. I was like, leave that car alone,
Yeah.
man. Yeah, this
I
must
think
nice.
he was, but he.
Yeah. I got the green lights. Nice. Like that.
Yeah, that M4.
Yeah, that's clean.
Hey, that's how you. Now that's how you leave a Cars and Coffee.
That's a winner.
Right, you ain't parked that?
He cleared out the.
did.
Cause soon as
I knew he'd come back.
He came back. Hey, that was the winner though.
I was just gonna blame it on the vet because
I don't know about all that
you
smoke.
couldn't see it.
Yeah, they couldn't see. That's the winner, y'all, right there. Best leave of the day.
Yep.
All right. So that was last.
I got his number, but
Right.
this
Hey man, my number ain't changed.
yeah, it changed.
Fan
It ain't changed.
Yeah, it
Hey, this
changed.
last
Apple
Cars.
cell number.
What the hell? Hey,
Got the burner phone.
no man, not the burner, not the burner. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Hey, last Cars and Coffee, y'all,
It was a
man.
good
This
one.
was the last one. It was a pretty good one, man. The cops shut it down a little early on the outros, but overall, it's a good show. People came out, the weather held up, man.
Yes, sir.
And you know how we always say, man. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and man, leave some comments, man. Let us know what whips you like, what outros you like,
Yes, sir.
and what you didn't like. Until next time.
Peace.